Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Science City. Today's topic is prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Cell is a basic structural and functional unit of life of living organisms. There are two types of cell, prokaryotic cell, and eukaryotic cell. Here is the difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell is small in size, whereas eukaryotic cell is large in size. Prokaryotic cell divides rapidly, whereas eukaryotic cell divides slowly. In prokaryotic cell, membrane-bound nucleus is absent. In eukaryotic cell, membrane-bound nucleus is present, as you can see in the diagram. In prokaryotic cell, membrane-bound organelle is absent. In eukaryotic cell, membrane-bound organelles such as mitochondria, Golgi body etc. are present. In prokaryotic cell, ribosomes are small in size. In eukaryotic cell, ribosomes are large in size. In prokaryotic cell, nucleolus is absent, whereas in eukaryotic cell, nucleolus is present inside the nucleus. Organism that are made up of prokaryotic cell is called prokaryote. Organism that are made up of eukaryotic cell is called eukaryote. Prokaryotes are unicellular, means they are made up of only one cell. Eukaryotes may be both unicellular and multicellular. Let's answer in the comments section. We humans are prokaryotes or eukaryotes? Thank you for watching the video. And please subscribe my YouTube channel.